Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to knit the beautiful blossom stitch. Today, we'll be creating a small rectangular piece to demonstrate this lovely pattern. First, gather your knitting needles and yarn. For this demonstration, we are using 3mm crochet and 3-ply acrylic yarn. We begin with a foundation chain of 16 chains. Since the blossom stitch works best with a multiple of 4, we are adding 2 additional chains, making a total of 18 chains. Now on this foundation chain, we will perform single crochet stitches for the entire length of the chain. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook. Continue this single crochet stitch across all 18 chains. Once the foundation row of single crochets is complete, we move on to our pattern rows. For row 1, you will start by chaining 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Skip the next stitch and double crochet into the following stitch. Chain 1, then double crochet back into the same stitch. This creates a V shape, which is the start of our blossom pattern. Repeat this sequence of skipping a stitch, then double crocheting, chaining 1, and double crocheting into the same stitch across the row. In row 2, chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet into the first stitch. Then, single crochet into the chain, 1 space from the previous row's V. Continue this single crochet into each chain 1 space across the row. Repeat rows 1 and 2. You'll see the blossom stitch pattern start to take shape, resembling a field of tiny flowers. Keep repeating these rows until your piece reaches the desired length. The key to a neat blossom stitch is consistent tension and careful counting. Once your piece is the right length, it's time to finish. For the final row, you'll want to do a row of single crochet stitches to match the foundation row. This gives your piece a clean edge. To bind off, simply cut the yarn, leaving a small tail. Pull this tail through the last loop on your hook and tighten it to secure. And there you have it, a beautiful blossom stitch rectangle. This pattern is perfect for scarves, blankets, and many other projects. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed learning how to knit the blossom stitch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more knitting videos. Happy knitting!